To securely join two strands of yarn, first align the strands and then pinch them with your thumb and index finger so that the yarn tails are sticking on top of your thumb for about 1.5 centimeters or half an inch. I do it with my right hand, but the idea is the same if you do it with your left hand. Then with your left hand, take the strand that is at the left side of your thumb and make a wrap that goes around your thumb and around both tails, like this. Then make another wrap, but this time go underneath the tail. So you still go around the thumb, but you go under the tails, not over them. And then fold the tails over the second wrap and carefully push them inside the wraps. And hold the folded tails, the wraps, and the other strand between your thumb and index finger. Then take the strand that we used to make wraps and pull it up to tighten the knot. If you see that the wrap is not getting smaller, that means you are holding it somewhere. So simply loosen your grip and pull the yarn tight to secure the knot. To make sure the knot is as small as possible, pull each tail and the other strand and this strand again. So basically pull everything that you can to tighten the knot and make it as small as possible. Now comes the best part. We take scissors and we trim the tails pretty close to the knot because this knot is strong, it's not going to unravel. And that means we don't have any tails to weave in. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified every time I publish a new video. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.